Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're analyzing a capacitor-based voltage boosting circuit that generates multiple DC voltage levels from a single AC source. This circuit is built using 4 series-connected electrolytic capacitors, 2 rectifier diodes, and a 12-volt AC transformer as the input source. The main principle here is controlled capacitor charging. Each capacitor stores energy during specific AC cycles, causing the output voltage to rise step by step. After rectification and capacitor charging, each stage adds approximately 1 peak voltage minus diode voltage drops. One major advantage of this circuit is simplicity. It requires no ICs, no switching regulators, and no complex control circuits. Another advantage is flexibility. Multiple voltage levels are available simultaneously for circuit testing. The main limitation is low current capability. As the load current increases, voltage drops become significant. Voltage regulation is also weak, meaning the output is sensitive to load changes. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical electronics content.